Do you want to be sent to LinkedIn jail? Me neither. It's becoming more common because LinkedIn is using AI without any human review to shut down accounts it deems to be not complying with its T's and C's. One of the reasons that this is happening is because they are looking much more closely at Chrome extensions. Any browser, for that matter, that has extension and third-party tools that scrape data are common culprits and will be detected by LinkedIn's AI. This could see you shut down completely or certainly restricted for a period of time. So do make sure you've checked all of your browser extensions for nothing that might be hidden that could be scraping data. The second thing that LinkedIn is looking for, its second line of defense, if you like, is multiple logins from different parts of the world. If, for example, you have a VA in the Philippines who's not using a VPN, LinkedIn might see two logins from two parts of the world and know that you have shared your account access. This is against LinkedIn's T's and C's, and they will penalize you for it. So either don't share your login or make sure you have your VPN on when you are using it from a different place. The next reason that LinkedIn is looking askance at our accounts is because of engagement pods, but it's less likely that this alone will be causing account restrictions. They will look at it though, and they're making any kind of comment or content that shows up in engagement pods less visible. They're restricting the visibility of that kind of content, which of course reduces the usability or the usefulness and even effectiveness of engagement pods, where people are required to comment on a particular post. So where there is no obligation in a group of people like our Linkability group, it's voluntary to comment on others' posts, it's not so much of a problem. It may still be monitored, but it's much less risky. Over time, it's really important to make sure that we behave in the right ways that LinkedIn expects. So if we are doing too much tagging of people in our posts, that's seen as a bad thing, particularly when those people who are tagged don't respond, or worse, untag themselves. If you're sending bulk connection invite requests, that's not a good look either. That might also contribute to you being restricted. And of course, let's not forget pitch style messages. Now, none of you will be using this, but a lot of people are, and they really can hurt your credibility. So it's really important to make sure that we are monitoring what our extensions are doing, that we are not scraping data unexpectedly or unknowingly, that our behavior on LinkedIn conforms to the T's and C's, and that we are behaving as good LinkedIn citizens. Now, we recently had a LinkedIn live stream talking more about that, and we'll put the link into this message below so you can go and have a look at that in more detail to make sure that you're doing everything you can to protect yourself on LinkedIn.